Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. My name is Alexi and this is Soto-Tek. Today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing of the Pixel 4a and a quick camera comparison against the Galaxy Note 10 Lite, which is not the in-depth camera comparison I'm planning to do. So let's get into it. Okay, I have put my details in it. As you can see, the typical stock Android app drawer with the typical Google's icon design. Let's quickly check the camera UI. Again, the typical camera modes. So stay tuned because I'm going to do a full camera comparison video against the Galaxy Note 10 Lite first, which I have here. I'll do a full and in-depth camera comparison. Also, maybe against the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but just comparing the main lens. And also a full camera comparison against the iPhone 11. Now, I will show you a short camera comparison against the Galaxy Note 10 Lite as a preview of what is coming. So, check this out. Okay, there you go. This was my quick unboxing of the Pixel 4a and a quick camera comparison against the Galaxy Note 10 Lite as a preview of the full and in-depth camera comparison I'm working on. So stay tuned for that one. If you like the video, give it a like, and I would really appreciate if you subscribe to the channel and help me grow as fast as possible. As a primary school teacher, my workload is big and sometimes stressful, so your subscription will be a good motivation to make an effort and bring more content. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get the notification of future videos. Thanks to all those who have already subscribed. I really appreciate it. See you in the next one. Hasta la vista.